make P the subject of P minus 2 is equal to PQ minus 3Q. Right, the problem here is that the subject that we're asked to make, it appears on both sides of the expression. So what we need to do is, the tactic is to try and put P either on this side or that side. It doesn't matter which. So I'm going to try to put all the P's on this side. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the minus 2 here and do the opposite thing. By adding 2 to both sides. That now gives me P is equal to PQ minus 3Q plus 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract PQ from both sides, because we've got plus PQ here, so I'm going to subtract. So that on the left hand side I get P minus PQ. On the right hand side, I'm just going to swap these two over. I'm going to put 2 in front because it's plus, and then the minus 3Q over. Don't have to, but it looks neater. Right, the next thing to do is to factorise the left hand side, because we've got P occurring twice and we only really want it to occur once. So the technique for doing that is to factorise out the P. If you factorise out the P, you get P, and then you get 1 minus Q is equal to 2 minus 3Q. Then we've got P times 1 minus Q. So the opposite of multiplying by 1 minus Q is to divide both sides by 1 minus Q. And therefore we get that P is equal to 2 minus 3Q, all divided by 1 minus Q. Okay, and what we have done here, we have made now P the subject of this expression. Okay, I hope you've understood this, and I thank you very much for watching.